Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I am going to explore another attar or CPO or concentrated perfume oil from Swiss Arabian, that is Hayfa. Hayfa is, I think, again an Arabic name for woman. I'm not sure what is the meaning of this, but it is an oil for women. So let's try this and see how it evolves and what is the scent profile like. So I am going to use a dab on my right hand, index finger. So let's apply it and see how it evolves. Hayfa from Swiss Arabian. Sweet like a candy. This is the start. Fresh, a light soapiness is there. Very sweet. It is like a chocolate, small caramel kind of toffee or candy. I don't like its start at all. Why I don't like these candy kind of attars or perfumes? Because they are mostly chemicals. So whenever they are using it in an oil, they are easily available. All these, cheap candies, they just put that flavor and that scent in their candies. So I really dislike these kind of perfumes. I don't want to smell like a candy. Mostly sweet candy. I think I have to wipe my nose. Some yellowness, yellow kind of, I would say some zest is there. Citrus. The top I really hate, because the top notes for all candy and caramel kind of toffee kind of thing. Caramel is still there. There is some creaminess. I'm not getting anything else from here. So this is actually Hayfa. Very I would say common. I wouldn't advise to buy this one. This is really kind of I would say cheap kind of oil or composition. All I'm getting is mostly this caramel kind of toffee vibe, and there is some yellow zestiness in the background, some creaminess. That is all. There's nothing else. So this is very simple from Swiss Arabian, Hayfa. Maybe some kid like 10 years, 11 years might enjoy this oil. Others might not like it at all. So this is my review about Hayfa from Swiss Arabian. There is nothing much to say about it. I have to wash my hand again. Anyhow, so you might like it. I really dislike it. That's your personal opinion, but I really don't like these candy kind of caramel or toffee scent or kind of attar oils. And that is my review about Hayfa from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below what kind of perfumes or other oils you really hate. Like I hate powdery scents that are really powdery. I really hate white florals or peachy yellow florals. I really hate caramel or toffee kind of perfumes that are really toffee smell. And I think these are the major categories. So that is all. We'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.